What's up, everybody? Today we got a new Lego set, and I'm gonna open it and we're gonna build it. It's maybe gonna be like a pretty long video.
It might be pretty long, but it's a 3-in-1, so we're gonna pick one of these to build. I don't know which one you want to build.
I'll make this one.
The race car. So we're gonna build this race car.
And maybe
looks pretty cool.
And maybe in the next video we'll build one more, and then in the next video we'll build that.
So we gotta take it apart and build another one.
But still,
let's get it opened up. Let's see, I got the instruction booklet here.
Wow, these are all the. Oh wow, this is the only bag.
So here's the instruction booklet for the race car that we're gonna be building.
Legos.
All right, so let's get started. Okay. All right, let's get the pieces out.
So the first, we did pick the first one. The first one is actually the race car.
Okay.
Okay, so what can we start with first? That one.
So yeah, get the.
No.
Do I need to help you, or are you gonna do it?
You can help me a little bit.
All right, when it gets to the tougher parts.
Where is that piece? Wait, what piece is that? A gray one. There's a gray one.
Right here. Here is a gray.
Oh.
I'll help you find the pieces. How about that?
And
we built so many of these Lego sets that we're like pros now in building.
No. Where's the piece?
What are you looking for?
This piece.
Okay, I'll help find it right here.
Oh yeah.
And there it goes. So I'll be the piece finder, and you'll be the guy that puts the builder, whatever you want to call it, the guy that puts the pieces together. Okay, so I need to find one of those, which I think is right here, and one of the long pieces right here, and another one of these.
Where do we put this? Do we put it like this?
Oh yeah, that's right. You're supposed to put that into there. Huh? That? Where is that? Oh yeah. There you go. You got it. Yep. That's the way to do it. Okay. And then we need one of these, and then you light yellow, and a 2x3. So
I need another yellow.
Here's a 2x3.
Here's another yellow.
Yep, 2 of those.
Okay.
And a 2x3. All right. Everything's going good so far.
But this right there.
Yep.
This one right
That's
here.
correct. No, you're holding it the wrong way, like this. See?
And the white one is this right?
Yes, that's the one. That goes all the way on the end. Great. All right, it's coming along. It looks like this is the base, the body of the race car.
So this is how it looks like.
It's pretty cool. Next step.
Now I see.
Next step is we need a 1 2x6.
This one.
Which you have, right?
What are you doing?
And we need one of these wing-looking things right here. Actually, 2 of them. One here and another one right here. Okay. And we need two 1x2s. So 2 of these.
Wait, where do you put that one?
That goes like
You
that.
leave a space.
Yes, you leave one space. Yep. Awesome. Great. Great job. That looks like at the front of the race car, actually. And then you gotta put 2 of these.
Okay, so.
I got them right here.
Right.
They go right next to it. Yep. Exactly. Okay.
Now this is how it looks like. I think I should take this jacket
It's pretty
off.
cool. Yeah, take the jacket off so you can move easier. Okay.
Okay.
Next step. So we need
Oh, now it's getting long.
2 of these thingies. 1
Here, 1,
and 2. Okay, 2 of those
2.
and 2 of the red.
So
2 by
wait, where do
4s.
you put these? Where do you put those?
You leave 1 space here, and
So
then you put
you-
them here, like
One
that.
space here.
I think it goes like this, where you know the circles are sticking out. So they need to be like this.
Oh.
One like that and one the other way, because I can see the circles are sticking out. See?
Mhm. And
Right? And then we have 2 reds right here. I put them here. All the pieces you need.
right here.
Yes. Alright, so we need 1 orange. Any pieces that you need, I'm gonna put them here.
Okay.
2 of these. So we got these 2. Whoa! Great. Alright, got it. Alright, 2. I need this
Are
skinny
those
piece.
yellow or
And
this
we
color?
need these.
Oh.
Yeah, I already got
Yeah,
them. Whatever you need, I got them.
Oh, right here.
Yep, that's correct.
And they're right there.
These guys go in here.
Oh, no.
Oh, I keep dropping those. They're going like this. The short ends going. Yep.
Or is it like
No,
this
you're
way?
supposed to put the short end in. You put the long end in.
Oh.
The wrong way. Yep, the short ends. Those are for the tires, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like. Okay, so then you have this and this.
These two. Where do you put that?
Yep, it looks like it goes right there.
And this little thing goes right here.
That's correct. Yep.
And then we think next
Alright, next page.
is
We need 1 of this. I can already see. And
oh no.
1 of this. So these go back there, it looks like.
Oh,
On the back part of the race car.
just like right here.
I think it goes over the whole thing. It shows. Oh wait, where are we? Hey, how come we're missing a step? Did we miss a step? When did this come in here? Do we have that? We don't even have that. Did we miss some steps? Yes, we did miss a whole page. We missed this thing. Okay, hold on. We'll get it now. We get this, and then you get this long one.
Oh, my neck hurts.
Here, you get this long one, and then you get 2 of these. 1, and
Where do we put this?
that one
all the
goes
way in the back.
all the way in the back. Yes. Okay, and here's that second one. Okay, so put those in. That's what we missed. That's why it wasn't looking right.
And
He's the man. This little guy is the man right here. He is the man that builds a lot of Legos. The Lego man. The Lego master
wait,
builder, I
wait.
call him. He did it, here, right here. It goes right here. You did it.
No.
Hold on, something's wrong here.
Huh?
How come?
Where do you put that?
You go one. You're supposed to go all the way here. With this, all the way to the back. You didn't go all the way to the back. All the way back here. And you put the orange right there.
Oh.
Okay, go ahead. Alright, so we just did this, right?
Mhm.
Now we're up to this.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
Little
need
lights.
4 of these little guys. 1, 2, 3,
Find the lights.
4.
And the light. Hit the other light.
And goes the 2 lights and 1 of
Okay.
these.
Where do we put this?
There we go, 1 of these.
Oh, down there. So. Oh. Where do you put those?
Like this. Here you go, you put them at the end. Like this. Right here.
Oh. Wait, what is that? Like right there.
What do you mean?
What's that?
That goes here.
Oh.
It goes on the red. So put those 4 like that way. And the other one's going facing the other way
Thought
like
we
this.
missed a step.
No, we didn't miss a step. Actually, we missed this. We missed to put this
That's what I was talking about.
and the white.
That's what I was talking about.
Okay, so we missed these steps, but it's fine. We get to it. Can you put that? I only have one hand.
And then we put it like that.
And this one. Don't
And
forget this one.
oh no. And then we put it like this. And then hit the white one. Oh no. There.
Okay, great.
And now what are the whites? Oh, right over here.
Correct.
And the lights. Oh, right on the sides. Oh no. And this is how the race car is coming
Yes,
up.
see? It's looking just like this. Check it out. Look at this. See it? See it? Same exact way how it looks over there. So, keep going.
Why do we need to sit it? I don't even know what.
I don't know where that came from.
I
It
think
flew.
it.
Oh, you brought it?
I thought there was tape on the box, so I brought it.
Okie dokie. Next page.
Ooh.
So we need one orange and the red one right
One
here.
orange. Oh, you already found the red.
Yes.
Where's the red?
2, not 1, 2.
Oh, we
Need
put
two.
another layer.
So you put another layer on top of the other red.
Okay, so we do it
Right
like
behind the
that.
seat, yep. Or what I think is the seat, which it's probably not.
And that one piece goes right here.
Yep. Okay, next we need 2 of these.
I
Yes,
found
we got
one.
1, 2, and we need 2 little hubcaps, which I have right here.
It's coming out pretty good, guys.
Okay.
I'll be right back. My neck is getting tired.
From standing up.
Yeah.
There you go. That's better.
And wait.
Those 2,
Right here goes
they go into the.
there. Oh yeah. All the way.
Did you put the black ones on already? Where'd they go? Oh, they're over there.
And
All the way, yep. That's our Chippy. He's hungry. He needs to eat.
even little girls over there.
Yes,
Wait.
she's she's being blocked by the book. There she is. She's looking.
You might have
It's
saw
almost time for them to eat.
saw them in my other video when they were sleeping.
Yeah, they love to sleep. This is that's where they like to sleep. They love it over there. See them?
Yeah.
See little girl?
And Chippy boy meow.
And Chippy boy.
I mean, he's trying to go outside.
Yes, he wants to see what's outside.
We let him out this morning.
Yes.
That's,
Okay. So you finished this section?
yeah.
All right. Next,
Oh, that's.
we need these 2 rubber band thingies. Look at that. It's pretty cool.
How do
Pretty neat.
What?
I wonder what these are gonna do.
But I think I know what they do, and I need your help. Cause we have to like stretch it and put it somewhere.
Oh,
Hey,
okay.
look at Chip. Look at Chip.
Look at Chippy. Look at this guy. He wants to eat. Hi, Chip. Oh, there goes the other one.
There's the other one.
There goes Lily girl. They're getting ready to eat. I have to feed them in a little while.
Cute. after this video.
They're so cute. They are.
Oh, look, he's just looking. Wow. He's like a lion, just like Chibi.
Yep. Chippy's like a leopard, he looks like a black leopard. He looks really cool. And Chippy looks like Lily Girl looks like a little lion.
You mean fox?
Actually, yeah, like a little fox. Lily Girl.
Chibi fox.
Hi, Lily Girl.
Fox.
Hi, Lily Girl.
Little fox.
Chippy. You guys are
Little
hungry?
Fox. Mr. Fox.
Come.
Little fox. Mr. Fox. Little fox.
Okay, come on. I got this pieces, so we need two of this
wait.
right here. So you got two, and then two of these,
There you go.
and
Where
two
do you
of
put
these.
this? Oh my
Yeah.
god. Okay, so.
You leave a space in the front, one space, and then put those two there. And then you put these right behind those, all the way across.
Right here.
All the way to the white. Yep. Yep. Right there. Yeah, leave those hanging like that.
It's kind of annoying how it feels. I mean, not how it feels. Like it's just so fragile. It will come off.
Yeah, so we gotta be careful with it. Alright, we're done with this page.
Oh! Now we have to do the bottom.
So we got this. Yes, you gotta turn it around. Yep. Like that. That's what it says. And then you got this coming in here. First we gotta build this section. So we have this, we have this, and we need this. Here we go. That's it.
What?
So it tells you.
Okay, this goes where? Oh.
Not in there, no. You're putting in the wrong part. It goes like this, and it goes here. You put that in there. No, the other way. Yes. Okay.
I haven't made.
And then this one goes on the other side.
I haven't made like a lot of Lego videos so far. Maybe one did I ever upload.
Okay. So this middle, actually the second one right here goes right in there.
Ooh.
Like that. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Ooh.
Alright.
Nice.
You do the other side now. You have to
And
get another one of those right here. And then you put the
Mom boy clip in the burn.
there we go. Here. Put that on top. Put it this way, like here. Right in there, like that way. Okay. That. And then you have to put this one in there. All the way.
And it's coming out pretty good.
It's coming out pretty cool. It looks really cool.
Wow,
Actually.
it's maybe gonna be more than my Pokemon video, the 10s. It's 18 minutes.
Already 18 minutes? Oh my gosh.
It's maybe gonna be more than my Pokemon video. I beat my record on 20 minutes on that Pokemon video, and now let's see if I can
Okay.
beat my record for 30 minutes and then an hour.
Alright, so. Oh, cool. We're supposed to do something. Oh, yeah, the rubber bands go. The rubber bands go into these little.
I told you had to stretch it. I don't know how to do that.
There we go. And wow, that's pretty cool the way they made this. I wonder what they do. Look at that.
Look what you did.
Pretty cool. Okay, and now we put a red. This thing goes up here, right in between these to connect those two. Yep. There we go. Okay.
Mom would
Now we need one of these.
One
One of these.
Oh, cool.
We need two of these.
Oh, it looks so orangey.
Yep, we need one.
2,
And another one.
3. Bye-bye. Oh, do we flip it over now?
Oh yes, sorry. Yes, we're supposed to flip it over. And now one of these things. What is this? Oh, right here. This. There we go.
Oh.
Okay. So those are all the pieces we need. You need to put into place.
I know
Yep.
what this
It
one
goes in there. Yep.
Mm.
It's coming out good. It looks nice. The base of the car. Is it in? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh, it's 20 minutes.
Cool. Okay. Next.
Okay. What?
You gotta put these things.
Wait, where?
This 4-1 goes back there.
Oh, this one goes back here.
Oh no, wait. No, it goes further back than that.
Oh, right here.
Yes.
And
2 goes in front of it.
right here.
And these go on the ends.
Okay,
Right
so
down there.
this
That
way.
way.
Oh, so it goes like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Looks pretty
This is
cool.
how it looks like now.
Alright, we need 4 of
Yes!
these.
I passed my
1,
20-minute video.
2. That's awesome.
It's 21 minutes.
3 and 4. These 4, you line them up on the sides.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Right in front of where you put those. Yep.
Now it looks so orangey. Why it's so orange? It's like an orange car instead of that red car.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Great job.
Oh, cool. Now look how it looks
so
like.
we need 2 of these.
I'll show you the whole thing. It's going to look so cool when...
We're gonna
Let's
need 1 of
see.
this. And we're gonna need 2 of these. 1, 2.
Oh. So...
Okay.
Oh, this is coming out very nice.
This is actually a gift from my friend Edo at work.
Eid.
Yeah, Eid. He gave this as a gift for Emre. No, you didn't do it right. It's supposed to be in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Right
Yep.
here.
Right there. There you go. It
And
fits
he could
perfect.
watch my video that I'm doing right now.
Yep, he can watch it and then, you know.
And subscribe.
Everybody hit that like button, subscribe. We're gonna have more surprises for you with Legos,
Pokemon.
Pokemon cards, hopefully.
And like other cool toys.
Yes, exactly.
Maybe blind bags, blind boxes. I haven't done those in a while.
Okay. So next, we need 2 of the little square white pieces. Cute. And we need 2 of these.
Where's the white?
And we need 2 of these.
Okay, so
There you go.
I'll put these in first, since it's gonna look more better.
Wow, look how cool it's coming out.
It's
It
gonna
is.
be so cool when you see, yay! When you see the whole thing.
Nope.
Oh, yeah, we put
Yes.
this first. And then this. You could hear us meowing. He meows very loud.
Yes.
Wow, it's
Wow,
very
look
nice.
at this thing. Look at it, guys. Look at it.
It looks
See?
like a miracle. Look how much pieces we have now.
How cool is
Look,
this?
we have maybe,
Looks like a spaceship, kind of. Like a Star Wars kind of
Oh.
spaceship, the way
oh
it is.
yeah. Or like a time travel. Hello, you haven't seen my face. You know why? Because the camera's like this.
How cool is that? Okay.
Okay.
Alright, next we need 1 and a 2.
Okay, where's the
We
2?
need 2 of these little tubes. And we need 2 of these little guys.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's why.
Oh, it's like the engine. That's pretty cool. It's like the engine in the back. That's what it's making.
Oh.
Wow,
That's
that's
very
awesome.
cool.
That's awesome.
Let's see if I can make it to 30 minutes this video. It's already 24 minutes. Wait,
Don't lose the pieces. Pay attention.
where's the piece? I found it. Oh, here it is. Okay.
Okay, cool.
And now, go in. This time go in. Okay. And
You got
then
it?
that piece goes right here. Oh,
That's not good.
why did they make it so hard? Oh, you could see his shadow, my cat's shadow. Well, like reflection.
See, here he is.
Oh, man.
He's gone.
No. Okay. Are you done?
Nope, we need to put these two.
Oh, where do we, what, these? Oh, wait, on here?
No, they go right here in the back.
Oh, right here.
All the way in the back.
Oh my God. See,
Okay.
honors, 26 minutes.
Okay, let's see. What's
It's-
next after this?
It stopped at your favorite number,
So,
26.
26. I love number 26 because my
And
issue sport
17.
is number 26.
And 17.
And we're going to come back to the Super League next year.
And the Super Bowl.
Super Bowl's coming up. Yes, next week. Atlanta Falcons are playing
Bears.
New England Patriots.
Patriots.
Who's going to win that game?
Falcons, Falcons, Falcons.
So we want
say
the Falcons to win,
Say Falcons.
I guess. Comment if you want to tell us who do you want to win. We say Falcons.
Falcons.
So
But if
two of
you like
these.
the Patriots, we don't mind.
Patriots are awesome too. I like the Patriots. They're a very good team.
Say.
Tom Brady's a really good quarterback, right? Okay, so I got the next pieces you need.
Okay. Where do you put these? Are we on this page or this one?
page.
Oh. Okay, so I can't see where do we put. Oh,
You leave one space in the orange and you put these over there, can't you?
oh here. Right here, like
Yes.
this. And
Yep.
these go right here.
No, you leave one space. You
Oh,
left two
oh.
spaces.
Let me-
Yes, exactly.
I can't see because they're blocking it. Where's the other base?
You
Oh.
put it there.
Okay.
Then you put these two in the blank. Yep.
Oh
Alrighty.
my God, it looks so cool.
It's coming out to be a cool little thing.
Oh yeah.
So
I got this piece.
these are the bodies.
How about
so-
these on right now?
This one, I think this one goes on that side.
Oh.
'Cause they
Oh.
gotta.
Oh.
Awesome. Yes.
And we put this right here.
And
Come on.
come on. Higher. Yay.
Yeah.
Come on. Awesome.
This is how it's on.
Okay, so.
When do we put the
wow,
tires
that's
in
pretty
last?
cool. Probably
On-
last.
No.
Alright, the steering wheel
Where's the steering wheel?
goes into this thing first, right here.
Right here.
Oh, I got one too. Okay,
No.
that goes in there.
Okay.
And that goes into this little thingy here, it looks like.
Wow.
There we go. That's the steering wheel. That's awesome. Alright, so we
Okay,
need two of
tight.
these. One, we
And,
got two.
okay, where do we
You gotta put them in this. Okay, so you gotta put this into that.
Oh, that's cool. There should be two.
Oh
I
yeah.
think that one. These are the lights, guys. The lights
Oh,
for
these
the
are the
car.
headlights. Awesome. I need my hand.
Hey. These aren't going in.
What the? Oh, they go on the bottom. That's why.
What?
Yeah. They go on the bottom.
Hey, I can't even put these in.
Go on the bottom and these go like this.
Come on, I can't put these in.
Here, let me see. On the bottom, it goes on the bottom.
Oh, like this.
Let me see.
Yep, I got it.
Yep, there you go. That's why. And then these.
Okay.
And then
Now, we put it where?
oh, we missed.
No, we missed
this
another.
again right here, Pop.
Never ever gonna get.
Sometimes, you know, when
Yes.
you're building these things,
Yes.
you miss these small steps, and you have to kind of go back because.
Daddy. 30 minutes. Look at that.
Yay!
30 minutes.
It's a new record.
No.
Here's the headlights. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Look at that.
How cool is that? That is
And then-
very cool. Actually, it looks like a little smiley face guy.
Yeah. That's what I thought it was.
Hmm.
Like, hello.
Hello.
What's
Okay.
up, bro?
Alright, so we got the headlights. Now, we
How's
need,
the auntie need a centerpiece? I need back the table
we
cover.
need this little guy. We need two of these. 1, 2. And we need 2 of these. 1, 2. We're almost running out of pieces. So, go ahead. These go in the back.
Okay. So you put it like this.
Yep.
This looks so cool.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool actually. I like it.
Where do we put these? I think, or is it like this?
Yes, like that. See? The hook is on the other side.
Okay, and then we put it. Why is it like this?
And then there's one.
Oh,
this
that's
thing.
why it's like that.
There's this thing.
This, where do you put that?
And then there's
Oh,
this
oh
thing.
yeah. Oh yeah, right here. And can have here. Oh man.
We need another one of these things.
Oh, I see that. Cool.
And we need 2 of these things
It's coming out good, guys.
that go right here. Like
Oh. Ooh. I found the other one. 32 minutes. Wow. It's gonna be hard without time lapse.
Go ahead. Push.
Oh,
Okay.
how that hurt.
Okay. Awesome.
Oh, wow, that hurt.
Okay, so we're gonna need this. We're gonna need this. This is for the spoiler. It looks
Okay.
like the wing in the back, you know? For
Yeah.
the spoiler. That one goes right in the middle.
Spoilers. We need and use
That's for the spoiler on the car.
spoilers. We need more spoilers.
Okay.
Oh. Can you see my eye? Oh my god, that's creepy.
Okay, and then we turn it around. Oops, like this. So
And
get this little guy.
what's up, guys? I'm gonna be put into a Lego, and let's see how
This.
you like an integrate me.
And then this goes like this into this thing.
Wait, let me do it.
Right into this thing.
Ooh,
Do you have this the right way? Did you put it the right way? Let's
that's
see.
me.
Yeah, you did. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh man.
That's why you gotta be careful. Let me do it. Where'd it go? It's gone. Oh.
Why? Why did you do this to me?
We're gonna need those pieces.
Here it is. Hard doing Legos like that. Hurt my
Okay.
nail.
I told you, let me do those pieces. But
This is cool though. Look at that.
you didn't
See
listen
that?
to me. Okay, So we need 2 of these. 1, 2.
Now it's looking like a real race car. Look at that. See that?
Okay.
Oh.
And then 2 of these go right into
Where
there.
do we put this?
Hold on. They go right in here. Put those in there.
Where do we put these? No, okay.
Put them right in there. Facing the top. Yep. Okay. Hold on. Now we're going to turn it around. And put...
You need to put this.
I am.
Look what you done. Look what you done. Don't believe. I'm a star boy.
Okay.
Oh, look
We
what
need
you
a little
done.
square. And these go... we're gonna need those pieces. And if you lose them, they're gone.
Unless you find them.
Okay, these go in here. I guess this is where the driver goes.
Good.
See? Close it. It's like a roll cage. It's a roll cage for the driver. So if there's an accident, he doesn't get hurt and break his head. Helmet.
Yeah.
So these.
I found all the 4 tires.
Alright. Next.
Wow, it's so hard.
This is the front of it. Put the tires together. Go ahead.
Okay.
Put them on the wheels. Put all the tires on the wheels.
Oh, and we're done.
And we're done. Yes, we're just gonna put the tires on, and it's complete because the body is done. Everything is all done. Check it out, guys. Whoa! It almost went flying out of my hand.
And then we're gonna
Look
see.
at this.
And then we're gonna see. We're gonna go down there. Like we're gonna go right where I am, and we're gonna test how the car like runs.
Exactly. Okay, go
And
ahead.
then we're done with the video. Why is there these pieces for what?
That's for the probably the other sets. Cause you know you can make 3 things out of it. Remember?
Oh yeah.
You can make a motorcycle or a dune buggy. It looks like I can't really tell what it is.
Or
This one was the biggest one out of
this one
the
was
3.
the best one.
It's pretty cool, actually.
I
Yes.
picked it because it looks like the coolest. And they also made that event in Avengers one. They didn't break. Wow, wow. Daddy, can you believe this video is 38 minutes?
Yeah. I don't know if anybody's gonna stick around that long to watch the whole thing.
And
put
just
the
sit
rest.
and watch the
And
video.
check it out, guys.
Look at this.
Check
Now-
it out.
We're gonna go down here. Okay. Oh, come on, go down.
Okay, hold on. I'll find a way to do it.
Okay, so let's see how this one gonna go that way. Oh wait, I can't really see if I need to put the light on. Now you can see and wait,
You're
put
going backwards, by the way.
Okay, put the camera down a little bit. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Wow, it has
Cool.
like that cool sound.
Yeah, it's like a suspension too. Like the, see that? It's like a suspension.
Oh,
Check it out. See?
that's what the rubber bands are
Yep,
for.
that's what the rubber bands were for. It's for the suspension of the car. See, guys? Look. So when it goes,
And-
it's like the suspension. So
Mhm.
this is pretty neat, actually, guys. This is pretty
And-
cool.
Maybe
at that.
tomorrow or next weekend, stay tuned for what's the other one? Okay, who cares? Stay tuned for this one,
Yes.
or these two, I mean.
I don't think you can make them both at once. Oh, maybe you can. Maybe. Let's see. Okay.
Okay,
All right, guys.
stay tuned.
Thank you for
these.
watching. If you
Thanks.
make it all the way to the end.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See you on the next video.